Hey everyone, welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's DelfStack tutorial video, we'll learn about how to fix a corrupted chunk in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, make a backup copy of your world. The first step is to create a complete safety copy of your game world before you touch any of the internal files. You need a safe backup in case you make a mistake and need to try again. Open your main game screen, select your world from the list, click on the edit button, and click the option to make a backup. Wait for the game to finish copying the files and save the backup folder safely on your computer. You have to make this safety copy so you always have a clean starting point to fall back on. Without this step, you might accidentally erase your favorite house forever if something goes wrong with the repair tool. Next, find your broken coordinate numbers. You need to find out the exact map numbers for the broken spot so you know exactly which file needs to be fixed. Open your game, walk carefully near the glitchy area, and press the button on your keyboard that shows your position numbers on the screen. Look at the numbers that tell you your horizontal and vertical spots and write them down on a piece of paper. This is a smart move because game worlds are massive and made of thousands of tiny puzzle pieces. By writing down the exact numbers, you can figure out the name of the single file that is causing the crash. It ensures you only fix the broken zone instead of accidentally wiping out a good part of your world. Then you can close your game completely, open your web browser, and log into a free map editing tool. You can use these map tool to find your coordinate numbers. Click on the single broken square piece and delete it. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.